Hi Amos.
Hi, Rasmus.
I want to hear your story about how you got in connection with the Kibera Girls Soccer Academy.
Yeah, back in 2009, I was working down in another school called Uruma. Then I hired Kibera Girls Soccer Academy needed a physics teacher, and I came to Kibera Girls Soccer Academy and met with Teka. Then Teka was able to enroll me in the system, and I became one of the teachers in Kibera Girls Soccer Academy.
How does the Kibera Girls Soccer Academy differ from other schools in Kibera?
There are several things in which Kibera Girls Soccer differs from other schools. Number one, Kibera Girls Soccer provides free secondary school education. The students in Kibera Girls Soccer Academy learn for free. They don't pay school fees, which is not the case here in Kenya, because the parents have to pay for the education of their children. Then also Kibera Girls Soccer again provides free feeding for all the students in the school, both the girls and now the boys who have been brought in the system. Then again, Kibera Girls Soccer Academy to some extent acts like home for the girls, because you realize they're also able to provide uniforms sometimes. When the girls complete their secondary school education, they're also able to follow them maybe to colleges, and they may be able to pay for them. And sometimes they also try to look for minor trainings for the ones who don't qualify to go to colleges. Then this is not the case to many schools.
What could that be?
Sorry?
Those things for if you don't qualify for education, how do you help these girls?
Yeah, those who don't qualify to go to college, we have we have friends. For example, we have a farm in Lumuru, which is able to take some of our girls after undergoing some minimal training. We also try to talk to other employers and see whether they can be able to get the girls with the minimum grades they were able to score in secondary school.
In what light do you see this school according to the United Nations Millennium Goals?
Yeah, number one, this school is trying to empower girls, and is essentially providing an opportunity for education for all. Because when you make it free, it means those who could not afford education otherwise are able to get it, and I think that is good. And after some time, you find after empowering the girls and the boys with education, then you'll to some extent after some time you find you've been able to lower the poverty level in the slum, because most of them come from the slum, and at the same time when they get education they're able to get a better job, and I think this is in line with the Millennium Development Goals. So they can give education, they can also after some time the education will help the students to get a better employment, which will transform to a better living in the future.
On your personal side, how does this school mean? What does it mean for you personally?
Personally, this school means a lot for me. I remember when I joined Kibera Girls Soccer Academy, I was not a trained teacher. I had not trained as a teacher, and I really needed to go to university, and I did not have the university fee. And I remember it is through the connection and what we are doing in Kibera Girls Soccer Academy that it has been possible for me to go to the university. And I'm in my last year. I think by December I'll be through. So this school really means a lot to me. Number one, it has helped me to continue with my education. And again, two of my sisters now are in the same school. So maybe I am not in a position to pay for my sisters if it were not for this school. So I'm also very happy that my sisters are also benefiting from the same system. So this school personally means a lot for me. Now, again, when you look at the station, yeah, that is the only thing I could. Personally, I do not have a lot of impact I can make to the slum in terms of money and all that, but I can be able to give my services to the school, and by so doing, I'm really helping a lot of people, a lot of students from the slum. So it means a lot to me, and I'm very happy to be part of the school.
Thank you.